I have so much bindering stuff I need to do, so I'm just gonna get started. There's so much binder shuffling that needs to occur. I'm gonna do the biggest one first. So I got this huge binder. I would like to note that I have had all of these empty binders on hand for months, and I've been planning this for even more months, and I'm doing it now. Okay, so this one I'm going to use for AT's OTA album cards. Those were currently in this meowcafe binder, which is significantly smaller, and it's pretty full right now. I was thinking about downsizing, but that will require so much effort, so I'm not going to do that right now until I have the capacity to. I wonder what's the best way to do this. This doesn't seem like the best way to do this. Oh, and the rings are thicker too. That's why this is like so, it's not sliding around very easily. Mandudeco page is pushing it. She's really, hold on, I might just have to hole punch this middle one bigger. There's just bits of plastic hanging. That's, I have to do the other holes too. All my strength. Okay, that fits now. Could I have just used a meowcafe page? No, I don't like theirs. The one pockets, that is. Speaking of not liking meowcafe's one pocket pages, since Prism Platinum is having their liquidation sale, I did buy some of their A4 pages to see if those will work for my large inclusions binder. Also, this binder had like no deco or anything on the inside, so I don't have to move that. The other binders, I am planning on moving the deco like into the new binder. Let's see how it looks. Wow. So the meowcafe pages work pretty well for the meowcafe binder, which is good. Mandudeco pages do not work for this binder. Now it works. It is slightly crooked and has plastic bits hanging off. That's the price that we must pay. Speaking of prices that we are paying, are y'all going to see AT's on tour? Because we did not buy tickets. I just can't be stressed like that right now over something like that. Like, sorry, I can't be doing that right now. I plan to make a little collage for whatever this was called, Golden Hour Part 2. Everything seemed to flip through quite fine. And then we have lots of room left in here. And I also plan to downsize, but I know they don't plan to. Yeah, now I have this huge binder. I don't think it will really fit on my shelf. So now I have this blue binder. And so the one I'm gonna move in here is this current Golden Hour Part 2 pop binder. Also no deco on this. Oh my gosh, I already made a binder cover for this one, I think. This binder is 6 rings, so the hole punches I did on the collage didn't fit. I'll be able to use that now. I think for Golden Hour Part 1 though. And then obviously this binder is gonna be not super full yet, but that is the point. Shayla's still in here, don't worry. Other collage is in the back of this binder, which is staying the same. Y'all, I genuinely just want to say that I think that I'm cursed, and I don't know if I'm ready to elaborate on that. I don't know if I quite like it that much, but you know, we work with what we got, and this is what I have. So the other thing I was gonna do is this binder is my current OTA merch, one of them. So I was gonna move this into here. I think the rings are slightly smaller. This is like definitely the binder that grows at the most, goes at the most exponential rate. So I really don't know how long this will last. I'll put these in later. Yeah, they keep doing NFT stuff like the evil people they are, and tour stuff like the evil people they are, and I'm kidding, they're not evil. They just don't care about my finances at all. I just noticed that these binders, do they not come with backboards? This binder is cute though. I do like it. I haven't used it yet at all, but I think I like it, and I think these fit. Yes, they currently fit. Okay, now where did those entities IDs come from? Yes. It matches. Y'all, the color matches with the entities in illusion background. Right, I bet you look, yeah, this looks so beautiful, right? Right. That's beautiful. I wonder, I took off the strap it came with. Oh my gosh, why is it shriveling? Does anyone know why it's shriveling? I wonder if I should keep that on, because I just put this, came with the interchangeable. But I don't know if I really like locking up my binders like this. But I guess I'll try it for now. And next, I was gonna switch this one to the same kind of binder. This is the other AT's OT merch, like season greeting annual stuff. So I'm just gonna switch it to this. I don't know if this deco will look as good. I don't know how I'm gonna move this because I want to keep this, but the pockets are kind of in the way. So there's just no front cover on this. It's interesting. I took out the Songhua birthday PCs from my Songhua birthday shrine, so they got to wear pretty outfits. Kind of like don't want it to start with A to me around. If I'm allowed to say that, I might put the season's greetings at the front again because she outslays. Yeah, she outslays, so she gets to be at the front. Okay, and now deco transfer question mark. Me trying to keep this as one like contiguous piece. Some of these stickers are so sticky. Like, what business does this have being like this? Damn. Okay, well, I'll just stick Jongho under. The bottom half of my Young sticker is just there forever now. Yeah, I'll just stick it on top of everything else. We don't need the pockets, okay? There, it's lumpy, but it's stuck on there. Yay! Can you tell that it's lumpy? I feel like I need something here, but also I feel like the rings would dent it. This is pretty good, honestly. I like how these binders look. They're pretty. Okay, and next thing I wanted to do was move the yena out of the blue binder, but to move it into the yellow binder, I need to clear up a yellow binder. And to clear up a yellow binder, I need to move something out of it. And which one was that gonna be? This one. I'm gonna move this to this binder that I just cleared. Also, there's like not gonna be enough room for these binders on my shelf. I think my prayers for a yellow version of this will never ever be answered. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. This side goes well with it, but then the green side is less. Maybe it's okay. Maybe it works. Then I'm gonna swap these two. Is that all the binder moving I had to do? So I was wrong. I forgot I actually had this binder as well. So I think what I meant to do was put this yena binder in here instead. And then I was gonna use this binder for like large inclusions for Yena and for Stacy. This binder is now this binder. This binder, oh, This binder annoys me to no end because these bottom rings always come undone. This binder is mostly large inclusions, so it's gonna be pretty empty once I take these out. But that's alright. Seriously empty, but I do have some more cards for it. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put some more pages in here. I got some of the cards from her concert trading card packs. Okay, so yeah, this binder is seriously empty, but that's okay. These will get to go in here. I'm gonna put the Stayc large inclusions because this binder is mostly large inclusions because I store all the Stayc large inclusions, and why do they kind of have a lot? I was gonna say it's kind of weird this is the only like photo card page in here, so I'm gonna actually put that. I wonder if these will fit in my like collector book. They might not. The sleeves don't. The cards don't really either. I'll just put it back in the Stayc binder. Welcome back, Aspa. And I'm gonna flip back to the Stayc album stuff because I got S albums. So I got the Weavers ones, which came with this like printed photo, I guess. And then the stickers, album postcards, and then the perfume samples. So let me get out the pages. This photo is so pretty, like the lighting is really nice. And it is just like a regular photo, like not a postcard. So it's transformed into quite the hefty looking binder. Who would have known I had so many girl inclusions? Okay, anyways, done with this binder for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna look some dividers for my binders. The first one I'm gonna do is for Golden Hour Part 2 section here. My benefit cards binder. I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing that. Basically, I tore out all of Songhwa and Jongho's pages, and I'm just gonna use whatever. So, yep. Okay, so I was like so locked in that I didn't notice when my phone died when I was recording, but I finished the collage, so I'll just show you what I ended up with. So this is the front side, Songhwa, And then this is the back side. Jungho. I like the Songho one better. I think I could have like layered the stuff here like this more, but I'm too lazy to do that now. So this is what we have. Flowers. So now I'm gonna make a collage for this binder, the album cards for Yena from Good Morning on. So I was gonna make a Nemo collage, and I don't have any of the like photos torn out yet, so I have to do that as well. I have like a bunch of scraps from the Poke album, Square Girl inclusion, and then I also have a bunch of like stickers and stuff in here as well. I don't know, her photo book, this photo book was so good, honestly. I feel like I won't need a lot of extra stuff. The ATEEZ one didn't have as engaging of design elements. So I'm gonna flip through the pages first and see which ones I like. I like little photos and borders like this. So. And then I always like to include like lyrics pages as well. But yeah, I'll just speed it up. So I finished the collage, the front and then the back. I went ahead and like added more little like thingies on it after the last clip. It just felt too empty. And so now I'm gonna like deco this. I already picked out all like the stickers and stuff that I'm gonna use. This is all I'm gonna do for this. Simple pudding themed. Okay, I'm back. So this time I'm going to deco the inside of this binder. This is gonna like pop and benefit binder. My theme for this was like pink and green vibes. We'll just see what I end up using. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. Pretty, I don't know if I'd say simple, but I didn't use all the stickers I owned on this. That's it for now. All right, and finally I'm gonna do this last binder now. And before like I do all of this, I always like pick out like the stickers and everything that I want to probably use. But yeah, this will probably be the last part for this video. Right, so that's all I'm gonna do for now on this, or probably forever aside from putting a photo card in there. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll store soon and see you later. Bye.